This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make burger buns at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, active dry yeast, warm milk, sugar, salt, and unsalted butter. Make sure your yeast is fresh for the best results. Having a stand mixer with a dough hook will make the kneading process much easier, but you can also knead by hand. Let's get started on these delicious, fluffy buns. Now, let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. Then, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten for a perfect texture. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes, or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Divide the dough into 8 equal portions, each weighing approximately 3-5 ounces. Roll each portion into a tight, smooth ball, creating the perfect shape for your burger buns. This step is crucial for uniform buns. Arrange your shaped buns on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between them. Cover them loosely and let them rise again for 30 to 45 minutes, or until visibly puffy. Before baking, brush the tops with an egg wash for a beautiful golden brown crust. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the buns for 15 to 18 minutes. They'll be perfectly soft and ready for your favorite burgers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.